It fits me perfectly. Today we are going to make a citrine wire wrapped bracelet. Let's get started. I've already wire wrapped one and I'm going to show you how to make this. So first what you do is you take your piece of wire, you thread it through the middle so it's in the center, and then you come up with your thumb and push the wire up on the side, and then on the other side you push it down. So you have something that looks like this. Then you're going to come in with your round nose pliers, and where the bend is, you're going to put your pliers in. I'm giving it quite a large loop, so I'm coming up pretty far up on the round nose pliers. You're going to pinch it, hold it tight, come up, over, and down. Rotate your pliers, bring it to the back, straighten it out, take out your pliers, and do the same for the other side. Then you're going to pinch the loop with your chain nose pliers, and you're going to wrap around 2 times and just leave the wire like that. Then we're going to come around to the other side. Okay, then what we're going to do is we're going to take this wire and we're going to come across the gemstone and hook it on to the base of this loop. And then we're going to do the same with this side. We're going to come across the gemstone and hook it on to the base of that loop. So you have something like that. Looks pretty cool. Then we're going to come back in, hang on to our loop, and we're going to wire wrap it again, twice. And the same with this side, 2 times around the neck. Then we're going to come in with our flush cutters, cut off the excess on both sides. So then we have wire wrapped gemstones that look like this. And then we're just going to continue on with our wire wrapping. So we're going to thread it through. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep this loop open for a minute because I want to put this through here. So they're all connected. Okay, then we're going to pinch our loop together, use our fingers because this wire is very soft. It's 24 gauge. Come around twice, pinch that, come around twice. So then we're going to find the front of our gemstone. So this would be the back and this would be the front. And we're going to take our wire, come around and bring it over to the neck and come around with a wire wrap once, and the same over here, 2 times, and this one is 2 times. Okay, isn't that pretty? Then we cut off the excess and pinch it down. So that's one link. And then we just keep going until we get to the end of our bracelet. So we're almost at the end. I have a clasp here, a jump ring, and the gemstones that I just wire wrapped. Now I'm going to add the jump ring and the clasp and see how much more we need to wire wrap. So let's put that on. Close it up. Wiggle it down. Give it a good squeeze. Okay, now let's see what this length is. This is a 5 3/4, so we need to come up to 6 1/2. So we're probably going to make, let's see, maybe one more, because the jump ring has to go here. I can put 2 jump rings here. Well, we'll have to see. So let's continue wire wrapping. And this one I'm not going to close off yet, because I might just add a few jump rings to this. So let's see what this is right here. It looks like it's going to be 6 1/2 right here. Okay, so then I'm going to add my jump ring. Let's make sure this is closed. I'm going to put it through here. Now I can come in with my chain nose pliers and wire wrap that down. Find the front of it, which is here, and we're going to come around the top. And down twice. Come around the top. Twice. Cut it off. And cut this side off. Pinch it closed. Pinch this one closed. And we are done. So there we have our beautiful citrine wire wrapped bracelet. So I'm going to put this on. It fits me perfectly. My clasp, my gemstones. So pretty. I hope you'll give this a try. It's a little time consuming, but it's worth it if you want a beautiful November citrine birthstone bracelet. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.